Hey guys, let's go for a bike ride. Now I finished my bike ride, had lunch, stretched. Now I want to put this ram on. It's really easy. You just clamp it like this and tighten it up. This opens, catches your phone, and then you use these plastic parts to connect the phone. It's a double latch. I have one like that on my bike. It's not as nice as this one on my bicycle. Works great. If y'all remember, I wanted to put it on here, but that was assuming it was the same way as the one on my bicycle. But this is just really, really, really different. It will fit right here. It's going to be a little bit of an angle, but the mount head, put that too tight. Mount head twist. So it's pretty simple. Since I'm videotaping on my phone, I'm going to need to get another phone so I can show y'all. This is an Apple 6, same phone I have, except my mother's. Mine has a different case. So see, you just put it like that, it catches it. You know, ideally the phone would be a little bit bigger, which is, I got a larger one. The reason I did is I'm planning on upgrading my phone. So let me put this down so you can see. Just take this like this. Holds it. Now I'm going to slide it up. Do the same thing. It's kind of awkward trying to do this while filming and staying out the way of the camera. These phones are really a little bit too small for it, but it works. There you go. And just tighten it down. And if you notice right here, yeah, you can see it. I have a Garmin. I do not have the actual unit, but it's already set up. It's wired. You just put it on and it gives you directions, gives you the map. I can also use this for the map. I don't need to unlock it. I'm using it as a prop. And I'm filming right now. So this will give me directions. I can also use directions on the phone, but what I really want the phone for is the weather. I don't know, I need to look it up. Maybe the Garmin has weather too. It might have weather and a map, but that's probably a paid service. The phone, it's not. I can just get weather, and therefore I have map, weather. The Cena system, I'll be able to talk on the phone while I'm going down the highway. And so that'll be great. So now we're all set up.